In the forestry and woodworking industry, the remarkable evolution of the planet's swiftest and most remarkable chainsaws operates at an entirely new level. These immense chainsaws have revolutionized the pace and effectiveness of woodcutting on an unparalleled scale. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on these chainsaws more frequently. Let's begin. This exceptional chainsaw, renowned for its unparalleled speed and potency, revolutionizes the logging industry by spotlighting cutting-edge technology for swift wood processing, efficient and precise even in cold conditions. The Legend chainsaw, designed with precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, boasts an impressive length of 105 centimeters. This specialized tool is meticulously crafted for the efficient and effective cutting of substantial logs that are both large and long in size. This ash tree can be dangerous to people below, so they have to cut it down, which is also very difficult. At this speed, it takes less than 5 seconds to cut through an 80-year-old oak branch. With an incredible cutting rate, this chainsaw not only accelerates timber processing but also minimizes labor requirements, presenting a revolutionary solution for forestry and lumber industries. This Husky 572 XP chainsaw is lightweight and portable to meet the needs of arborists, allowing them to move through tree canopies with ease and precision. The time it takes for this machine to process a tree only takes about 3 minutes. If you are a forestry lover, please subscribe to our channel to receive more useful information. Now let's see with me how heavy machinery in forestry works. The Ponzi Fox 8x8 is equipped with advanced technology that can handle hardwood logs easily and quickly. With many years of experience in controlling giant machines, the man makes the process of moving and cutting wood smoother and faster. The trees are cut accurately and arranged neatly. The Mississippi 362R saw turns dense logs into small pieces with unparalleled precision at an impressive speed of 362 units. The Nisula 425C is a multi-purpose harvester equipped with a clamping arm that makes handling and classifying wood easy. The NCU3 control system adjusts the grip force of the handle to the tree trunk to firmly help the cutting process. With its advanced design, this amazing technology demonstrates its power by easily dividing logs evenly for easy transportation and quick handling. The appearance of the style Mississippi 500 I saw has helped him save time processing giant logs, creating high efficiency at work. In cold weather, the cutting machine still works non-stop. With high speed and precision, this machine quickly defeats the giants. With the power of the HF800 two-speed cone splitter, it achieves excellent results in wood splitting, turning heavy logs into manageable pieces. The Stihl MS500i is an advanced chainsaw designed to conquer huge blocks of wood with finesse. This beast delivers incredible performance, easily cutting through large logs with its advanced fuel-injected engine. Close-up of the giant log cutting process of the Stihl MS362 saw. In the world of woodworking masters, this chainsaw is a symphony of raw power and precision. Plays an important role in the development of the current forestry industry. A modern chainsaw that takes on the challenge of cutting down giant trees with precision and power, with incredible cutting speed to easily handle towering giants. Embark on a wood carving adventure with the Husqvarna 572 XP. This chainsaw has impressive cutting power, handling dry wood with ease and exceptional speed. Designed to drill wood with a maximum torque of 90 Nm. Drill goggle 2 becomes the right choice for jobs that require dexterity and strength. With its advanced design and rugged construction, the Waratah 622 delivers unprecedented performance and reliability in harvesting operations, ensuring efficient wood processing with precision and speed. The Timber Pro Tennessee 735D with the JP Skidmore CF2 fixed head is a dynamic duo that redefines efficiency in forestry operations. With a powerful motor and advanced cutting head, the machine is capable of handling large woods with ease. They were cutting down a large cypress tree to build a temple. In addition to delicate tree cutting techniques, equipping such sharp sawing machines is essential. Introducing the Husqvarna 3120XP chainsaw with a powerful 118cc engine. It delivers an impressive 8.4 horsepower, perfect for tackling the toughest tasks. Let's watch the process of processing the giant log of the self-luminous machine with sharp links.
Chainsaws with powerful cutting capabilities have become indispensable tools in forestry, helping to cut trees and process wood effectively for many different industries. The development of chainsaws incorporates advanced features such as ergonomic design and safety mechanisms, ensuring not only productivity but also the health of the operator. This is a fir tree. It is difficult to take it down if you use an axe to cut it. The ash tree was damaged by insects and died, so he had to cut it before it was blown over by the wind. This is a new tree cutting technique and it is useful. The Echo 800P chainsaw is specifically manufactured to cut large and thick woods like this. Foresters depend on chainsaws for precise cutting and minimal environmental impact. The chainsaw is equipped with an anti-vibration feature that prioritizes user comfort, reduces operator fatigue during prolonged use, and improves overall efficiency. To be able to climb such a high tree, he certainly has a very high level of confidence and technique. This machine has an automatic chain lubrication system while cutting that improves durability and performance, reduces maintenance needs, and ensures stable cutting performance. It takes 2 people to split this block of wood into pieces quickly. Chainsaws are very important in efforts to prevent forest fires. Dry trees like these can easily create a large fire if not removed. In the woodcutting industry, this cutting technique is the most used. It ensures that the tree will fall according to your wishes. Before using, they always have tests like this to check the machine. The way he holds the saw shows how much expertise he has in cutting large blocks of wood. This is really a good saw. It only takes about 5 seconds to cut that log. It looks like that, but the length of this saw blade is nearly 2 meters. On the left is Steel MS-084 and on the right is HQ3120XP. Let's see which machine is faster. Chainsaws have transformed the logging industry, streamlining the logging process and contributing greatly to the efficient supply of wood for construction and manufacturing. Please leave a comment to let us know which machine you like best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to update notifications about the latest videos. See you in the next video.
With its advanced design, this amazing technology demonstrates its power by easily dividing logs evenly for easy transportation and quick handling. The appearance of the style Mississippi 500 I saw has helped him save time processing giant logs, creating high efficiency at work. In cold weather, the cutting machine still works non-stop. With high speed and precision, this machine quickly defeats the giants. Embark on a wood carving adventure with the Husqvarna 572 XP. This chainsaw has impressive cutting power, handling dry wood with ease and exceptional speed. Designed to drill wood with a maximum torque of 90 Nm. Drill Goggle 2 becomes the right choice for jobs that require dexterity and strength.
Before using, they always have tests like this to check the machine.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.